Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the galactose glucose interconversion pathway. Galactose and glucose are epimers of each other which differ in their configuration at C4 position. Thus, the entry of galactose into glycolysis requires epimerization reaction. This occurs via a four-step pathway called galactose glucose interconversion pathway. In this, first galactose is phosphorylated by the enzyme galactokinase to give galactose 1 phosphate. Galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase catalyze the transfer of uridyl group from UDP glucose to galactose 1 phosphate to form UDP galactose and glucose 1 phosphate. The UDP galactose is converted back to UDP glucose by the action of enzyme UDP galactose 4 epimerase. Thus, overall UDP glucose is not consumed in the reaction pathway. Finally, the glucose 1 phosphate is converted to glucose 6 phosphate by enzyme phosphoglucomutase. The glucose 6 phosphate is then enter into glycolysis. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.